The blue-bearded bee-eater, Nyctyornis athertoni, is a species of bee-eater found in the Indian subcontinent and parts of Southeast Asia. This bee-eater is found in forest clearings. This is probably the largest species of the bee-eater family. Adults measure 12 to 14 inches in length. This species has a large sickle-shaped bill and the square-ended tail which lacks the wires that are typical of smaller bee-eaters. The bird is grass-green with a turquoise forehead, face and chin. The feathers of the throat are elongated, giving it a bearded appearance when they are fluffed out. The belly is yellowish to olive with streaks of green or blue. The peninsular Indian populations are said to be paler green than the northeast Indian populations. Although males and females appear similar, the blue throat feathers of the male show higher ultraviolet reflectivity than those of the female. This species is found in a variety of habitats, mostly at medium altitudes but below 2,000 meters of altitude. It has been reported from the hill regions of the Satpuras, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Nilgiris, Chotar and from the sub-Himalayan forests. They have a loud call but are not as gregarious or active as the smaller bee-eaters. The calls include cackling hornbill-like calls, a dry kit-tick, in a series or hollow nasal kyow calls. The breeding season is February to August in India, and courtship involves ritual feeding, bowing and tail fanning. Nest excavation may begin a month before the laying of eggs. The nest is a deep tunnel in a mud bank within which very spherical and white eggs are laid. The species appears to feed mainly on bees. It exploits the defensive behavior of giant honeybee colonies by provoking the mass release of guard bees, which are then caught in the air and eaten as they pursue the bird. A blood parasite, Leucocytozoon Nyctyornis, has been described from this species, and feather parasites in the genus Brueelia are also known.